Discover EcoClean Septic, the ultimate solution for your septic tank maintenance needs. This innovative biological product offers both effectiveness and cost efficiency. EcoClean Septic has odor-absorbing carrier particles, along with billions of microorganisms and degrading enzymes such as Lipase, Protease, helps the septic tank to maintain smooth operation, providing a clean and airy space. The standard dosage is 1 pack of EcoClean Septic for 1 cubic meter of septic tank. Applying this treatment is incredibly straightforward. Start by cleaning your toilet thoroughly. Then, simply pour the contents of 1 pack into the toilet and flush. For optimal results, it is advised to use the product before bedtime, allowing the bacteria ample time to work their magic. EcoClean Septic helps reduce toilet congestion and full septic tanks. Say goodbye to clogged toilets and overflowing septic tanks. EcoClean Septic effectively prevents these issues, ensuring hassle-free and uninterrupted usage. Quick and thorough odor reduction. Bid farewell to unpleasant odors emanating from your septic tank. EcoClean Septic swiftly and comprehensively eliminates odors, leaving behind a fresh and inviting atmosphere. Time-saving and environmentally friendly. With EcoClean Septic, you'll save precious time and effort on septic tank maintenance. Additionally, our product is designed with the environment in mind, promoting eco-friendliness and sustainability. Make EcoClean Septic your go-to solution for your family's septic tank needs. Experience the difference it brings to your daily life.